Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TOSCIDO M863 to Nokia device. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both devices and installing free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. Then open it. From this screen here, you need to tap on I accept, confirm, continue, and allow. After that, finally select Receive on Nokia and Send on TOSCIDO. Then tap on all of those dots and tap on Send. This way you can choose all of your files and transfer them later on. It would take a long time though, so I will go with only one file. Just Send and tap on Got it. Over here on Nokia, just no thanks and close this window. Now we have two ways to connect. We can input this key over here and tap on Received to connect our devices, but we can also click on this QR code icon, just while using the app or only this time, and scan this QR code by pointing our device's camera at it. Now, as you can see, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!